Sit down.
You have to
Sit
do
down.
this, Dan.
Mike.
I have a son I have to take care of, Dan. I
Here we
can
go.
take
Look at
it
the
out
video.
of my paycheck.
The 27th of December, 2024. A restaurant employee was arrested after surveillance footage captured him stealing cash from a secured safe on the premises. Officer Dillingham conducted the arrest and interrogation.
Hey, Mike. Put your money back for me. Put your money back. Just relax. Just a second. You're Mike Burrito, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You're right there. You're being placed under arrest. I'll let you know in just a second. Okay. Okay. That's fair.
What's going on?
Loosen your wrist.
According to box 311, safety court, 4811.
You have your ID on you?
No.
You don't have your ID on you. Where do you live? I just told you that. I'll explain that to you in a second.
I just got here from work. What is going on?
Come on back here. Let's have a rest on the wall.
What the hell did I do?
Do you have any weapons on you that I need to know about?
I don't.
Okay. And you are Michael Brito. What's your middle name?
What's going on? Like, I don't understand
What's your middle name?
what did I do wrong?
Okay. Come in here and have a seat. Do you have any weapons on you that I need to know of? Okay. Go ahead and have a seat. I'm gonna leave the door open. Have a seat. Have a seat. Okay. I'm gonna take this off of you.
Why am I getting placed under arrest?
Okay.
I can't go to jail.
Well, you can absolutely go to jail.
No, I know that. I'm just saying I can't. Like, I did
All right, so
nothing
we can
wrong.
talk. I'm gonna read you some things real quick. That way we can have a conversation. Okay.
Sir.
Have you ever been read your constitutional Miranda rights before?
Yes.
Okay. So when I ask you a question, I need you to say yes or no. You understand that question. Okay.
All right.
Or that
Can
statement.
I talk to some Dan
I
or
am
somebody?
going to read you something so you can talk to me. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
I do.
Anything you may say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yep.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you without questioning, without charge.
Yep.
Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. How long have you worked here at Kiki's?
I'd say about 4 or 5 months now.
4 to 5 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have him on data?
I don't like more.
I think so.
You think so?
I'm there, yeah.
Okay. This particular Kiki's or Kiki's in general?
Just this particular one.
Okay. You've not worked anywhere
Andy!
else? You've not worked any other Kiki's?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Andy!
What do you need to talk to Andy about?
I want to talk to him, bro.
This has nothing to do with
That's
that.
my boss.
What would that have to do with him?
I mean, what's going on is what I'm trying to see what's happening.
You're being investigated. It's a criminal investigation.
Michael, what's your social?
I'm being criminally investigated?
Mhm.
So why am I in handcuffs then?
Well, that's how we detain people. You understand that, right?
Yeah, but I mean, I'm just saying,
What's your social?
I haven't done anything. So I'm like real confused right
Well,
now.
that's what we're here to figure out.
I just got off of probation, 2 years.
For what?
Not one violation.
For what? What'd you have probation for?
It was, what was it? Burglary to a conveyance.
Okay.
I think it was.
Vehicle burglary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Should be MICHAELBRITO.
my wife's
What's your
brother-
date of birth, Michael?
August 25th, 1994.
8/25.
My wife's brother.
You still live at that address?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's you, right?
It's your driver's license picture.
That's you.
Yes.
That's him.
Okay. So you've been identified as a person of, well, a person that stole from this establishment.
What?
Mhm.
Stole what?
Do you want to tell me or no?
I haven't stolen anything from here. I mean, I take food home. That's about it.
Okay. So I'm going to lay it out on you, okay? Because I've already got all the questions I need answered. I just want to have your side and you to be truthful about it.
And
Okay.
I'm being investigated.
Correct. Because you know there are cameras all over this establishment.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. To include in this room.
Yeah.
Okay. So why would that camera have you accessing that safe and taking money out of it if you haven't stolen from this establishment?
That is safe.
Correct.
I have never taken any money out of that safe.
Why would the camera show that then? And why would people identify you as being the one that did it?
I'm not sure, but I've never taken money out of that safe. When did I take money out of that safe?
Yesterday.
No, I did not.
Okay.
No, I did not, sir. Like, can I talk to Andy about this, please?
No, because that would be tampering with a witness.
How? But I'm not arrested. You said that I'm criminally.
Criminal investigations to include witnesses, yes.
To include witnesses, okay.
Right. So if you talk to your boss, because again, at the end of the situation is he's the one that's witnessing everything that's occurring because it is his responsibility. For some reason, somehow you have you on camera looking right up at that camera, going into that safe, removing the envelope, taking $427 of cash and putting it in your pocket. Yes, sir.
I never took $427 of cash.
Did you take anything?
I took nothing. No, I opened up that safe to look for something else for my arm. Like another type of medicine for my arm, because I have the medicine.
Why would a medicine be in a safe?
I didn't open up the safe.
You just said you did.
No, I opened up the cabinet to look for more medicine because
Okay.
that medicine cabinet is there, and I have gotten Band-Aids from Pop, my other manager. He's given me Band-Aids before from that cabinet.
I see. I don't know.
I don't know. I never go into the safe. I never go into the safe.
So then why would the video have you on it doing it then?
But I did not take. I didn't take. It might have had me opening the cabinet. Yes, sir.
And then removing cash.
No, not removing cash.
But there was cash. Why would you do such a thing?
I didn't.
Would you need the money for Christmas gifts or something? Rent or some sort?
No, sir. I get paid I get paid bi-weekly. Every 2 weeks I get paid, sir.
Mm-hmm. So then why would you take the money?
I did not take any money at all, sir. I did not. I opened up.
I already saw the video.
Right, but I didn't take no money.
It's clear as day it's you.
Clear as day is me what?
Michael, do you see that camera in the corner right there? Where I'm pointing? Right here.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Look, Andy,
Notice this is
can I
where the
talk
safe
to,
is,
Can I
correct?
talk to Andy?
Do you not see how clear that video is? So it's not we're not asking you this out of nowhere. He's asking you these questions for a reason.
Right.
Your cooperation is key.
I understand.
I already have all the answers I need.
Right. Okay.
Right.
So.
But truthfulness goes a long
Can I
way.
please talk to Andy?
No.
I can't go to jail. I have a son that I have to take care of.
You can absolutely go to jail.
No, I'm not.
And I'm not going to let you sit here and talk to somebody
No.
into not pressing charges against you.
No, I wasn't gonna. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
I just want to talk to him and see what's going on.
I told you what's going on.
Like,
I literally told you exactly
what
what the
about
allegations
my-
are
my-
against you.
like, what about-
And your defense is, I don't know what I'm talking
What
about.
about my son, though?
Whose responsibility is that?
That's my responsibility.
Exactly.
Right, and I did not take. You got me on video, probably opening the safe, the opening the cabinet. Yes, I probably opened the cabinet, but I did not take from the safe. I did not. I opened up the cabinet yesterday. Yes, because my arm. I'm trying to show you. I just had surgery on my arm. The scar that I
Okay.
had.
Go ahead and stand up and sit in this chair. Stand up, sit in that chair.
What did I?
Just sit in that chair. Hey Daniel, can you come play a portion of the video for me? Or just have access to it so that way I can play it?
Yep.
Are you comfortable being in the same room as him? Okay. He's very adamant that he didn't. All right.
Dan.
This is the only.
Dan, I
I'm telling you not to talk to him.
I'm so
Listen.
sorry, Dan. I didn't do anything, Dan.
Okay. He's gonna play you the video
Okay, fine.
to prove that it's true.
Fine.
Okay.
All right. Look, I didn't take anything out that safe.
Okay. This video is gonna show you different. Here's the video.
All right. Dan,
Oh, sit
do
down.
you have to
Sit
do
down.
this, Dan?
Michael.
I have a son I have to take care of, Dan.
Here we
I
go.
can
Look
take
at
it
the
out
video.
of my paycheck.
You're
That's
good.
you.
Take my paycheck.
Why would you want to take stuff out of your paycheck if nothing was taken? That's you,
If
right?
he's saying that I
That's
took
100%
some,
you.
yeah, I'm on my phone.
Right. That's you. Just wait.
What? Yesterday?
That's you. 100%.
Yeah.
You're watching the camera. Oh, open there.
Yep. I'm looking.
Take the envelope out.
There's no
That's not meant to-
envelope.
Look,
Sir, there's
look
no
at his hand.
envelope.
Look at it. Your hands. Look right
What
there.
is that?
Cash.
What is that?
That is
Michael?
cash you're putting in your
You
pocket.
didn't take anything though.
That is cash that I put in my pocket.
Right. Did you forget about that somehow?
No.
You understand now you've obstructed my investigation. You lied to me.
All right, I'm sorry.
You have 2 felony charges now. When all I wanted you to do.
I don't need to.
Yes.
No,
you
sir.
do.
Sir.
Because this is BS.
Please.
This is ridiculous.
Please. All right.
Oh, I can't do anything about this.
No,
Mike.
please. Can we just?
If you would have been honest with me, I would have reduced it. But you weren't honest.
Reduced what?
To just theft. Now you got a felony.
No, all right. Sir,
2 felonies.
Sir, please. Let's listen to me.
You had a chance. You know this game.
No, I'm just.
Michael, listen to me. Listen to what I'm saying.
Sir,
Mike, listen.
I can't go to jail.
Yes,
sir.
you can.
No,
Absolutely, you can.
Okay, fine. If you're gonna take me to jail,
I have no choice. These are felony charges.
Who's pressing charges?
This establishment.
Why?
Dickies, you stole their money.
You just stole their money.
If I could
And you're an
just have
employee.
if
That's
I
a
could-
theft.
All right. Well, I apologize. If I could just.
That has
if
nothing
I
to
could
do
just
with it.
have a talk.
You had the ability to tell the truth, and you lied. You still lied. I showed it to you on camera, and you still want to say you didn't do it.
All right. Listen, I'm sorry that I did that. My bad. I understand.
You act like I'm stupid, like Officer Dharmalingham's stupid, like your bosses are
I don't
stupid.
think they're stupid.
That's disrespectful, dude. So go ahead and stand
wait,
up.
Hold on. Let me
Go ahead and stand up.
Sir,
Go ahead,
please.
stand up.
I'm sorry, sir. Wait.
Come on, we're going. You have don't make this worse. We got everything out of here? To the left.
No, can we go out to the back, please?
To the left. I parked in front. Well, actually, you know what? If you want to hold him, I'll bring him out back. We're going to take him out the back.
Yes, sir.
Does he have anything you need off of him, like his shirt or anything like that?
No, sir. It's an apron.
Okay. Thank you.
You got it? I'm going to grab his property.
Step down.
Oh,
I'm going to grab his stuff.
Come on. Step down.
you can leave my bag here. Oh, my arm. My arm.
Okay. What does your arm have to do with anything? Come on over here.
You're squeezing that arm, sir.
Okay. I'm holding you tightly because, again, you're a flight risk.
Ow.
What's wrong with your arm?
I just had surgery on it.
Where?
Surgery on right here. You see the scar? Open my sleeve. Lift my sleeve up. Front part of the arm. It just healed.
Okay. All right. Spread your feet. You have anything that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me?
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Any evidence of the copy at 99, I believe the holding on type request.
This is crazy.
You ever taken anything else?
I never took $400 out of that safe, though. It was $40.
So it went from I never took anything to it was $40. Michael, you have a pathological liar
No, I'm
mentality.
just saying, you said you had me on camera.
Yeah, I showed it to you, and you still are going to say that you didn't take anything.
I didn't say I didn't take anything.
Well, it started that way,
Well, I'm just trying to tell you.
which is absolutely ridiculous.
I'm just trying to tell you that you want me to tell you the truth. I'm telling you the truth.
No, you had that opportunity way before all
But I
this.
don't understand.
I had to show you an actual footage.
$400 came from.
Yeah, that's the amount that you stole, sir.
I only took $40.
That's what was missing.
That's not the amount that I stole.
That's the amount you're being charged with. Spread your feet.
Am I gonna have a bond at least?
You should. I don't know how much it's going to be. But you should.
525250 High Drive.
This is crazy. Can I call my dad
At the jail, they'll give you the opportunity
on my
to.
phone just to let him know?
Have a seat.
Because he's by himself and he has heart issues. Just call him on my phone, please.
Have a seat. Put your feet in.
Oh, these cuffs.
Yeah, they're not meant to be comfortable.
No, just a little tie down the bone.
Watch your head.
Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1,984 custody is established the moment a reasonable person would not feel free to leave handcuffs confirm custody and the Miranda clock starts immediately. Miranda v. Arizona, 1,966, requires 4 advisements before custodial interrogation: the right to silence, the right to an attorney before and during questioning, the right to appointed counsel if indigent. Any statement taken without prior advisement is subject to suppression. New York v. Quarles, 1984 establishes the public safety exception. Questions limited to officer safety do not require prior Miranda warnings and remain fully admissible. This exception is narrow and does not extend to investigative questions. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Requires only reasonable articulable suspicion for detention. Surveillance footage plus employer identification plus presence at the scene exceeds probable cause. The arrest was legally sound from the moment officers arrived. Theft by employee carries enhanced penalties over standard theft because the offense involves a breach of trust. The employer-employee relationship and authorized access to a secured safe are elements the prosecution must establish. Making false statements to law enforcement during an active criminal investigation constitutes a separate offense in most jurisdictions. Each denial made after Miranda was administered is recorded, admissible, and available for impeachment at Frensid into BM of Lionset. Trial. Colorado v. Connelly, 1986. Applies the totality of circumstances test to determine whether a confession was voluntary. An officer stating that cooperation would reduce charges, exceeds officer authority, and creates a voluntariness. Issue for defense counsel. The Fifth Amendment right to silence exists for exactly this situation. Invoking it at the outset produces one charge with no self-incriminating record. Waiving it here produced 2 felony charges and a series of contradictory statements available to the prosecution at every stage of proceedings. Surveillance footage is independent, non-testimonial evidence. Even if post-Miranda statements were suppressed on voluntariness grounds, the video alone is sufficient to sustain a conviction. Lying during the investigation added charges, but changed nothing about the underlying proof.